Today we're unboxing the Crypto.com Jade Green Visa debit card, a card that lets you earn both interest on your crypto as well as cash back in the form of crypto from your everyday purchases. We'll dive in, break down all the card's features, and even see how it compares to some of Crypto.com's other line of cards as well. I'd also like to thank Crypto.com for sponsoring today's video and providing this debit card for review. So if you've been following the channel, you probably know that I've been using the Crypto.com app for a couple of months now, and it's been pretty convenient for things like buying and selling crypto, earning interest, and even earning cash back with their crypto debit cards. Now previously I had been using the Crypto.com Ruby Still debit card, but today we are unboxing the Jade Green card, which is the next level up on the card tiers, so let's get to the unboxing. So this is the package it comes in, and when you unbox it, you'll notice that as you pull the sleeve out of the envelope, it will then reveal your card from the envelope itself. So this is the Jade Green card right here. As you can see, it has an all metal body just like the Ruby Still card, which I showed you previously. Both of them have a very nice metal finish. They have a nice premium feel in hand, and they're just really well made cards. So you can see this one is in green, the other one was in red. But I know what you're thinking. That's enough with how the card looks. Let's actually now get into how the card works, its features, and its cashback rates. So how do these crypto cards work? Well, Crypto.com actually has a 5-tier system ranging from a free Midnight Blue card, earning you 1% cash back on all your purchases, all the way up to a premium Obsidian card, earning you 8% cash back on all your purchases, along with quite a few other benefits along the way. And while anyone can get started with the free Midnight Blue card, you can begin to move up the card tiers by staking Crypto.com's native cryptocurrency called CRO. And if you're unfamiliar with staking, guys, staking is essentially a way for you to earn interest on your crypto while you have it set aside for a certain duration of time. After all, if you're going to be holding your crypto for the long term, why not earn some money on it? Because with staking, you're able to earn interest on your crypto holdings that would otherwise earn you nothing. So one interesting aspect with the cashback that you earn with both of these Visa debit cards is the fact that the cashback you earn is actually in the form of cryptocurrency. They provide you cashback in the form of CRO, which again is their native cryptocurrency. Once you earn this CRO, you can actually do a couple of different things with it. So for instance, CRO can be converted into another cryptocurrency of your choice, such as Bitcoin. It can also be converted into a stable coin like USD coin if you want to retain its value. CRO can even be sold, and you can then withdraw the cash to your bank. Of course, it can also be used to top up your metal Visa debit cards, and it can even be traded just like every other cryptocurrency as well. And lastly, CRO can even be used for staking to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when earning cash back in the form of cryptocurrency, it's a different experience than it is from you earning US dollar cash back with your typical debit card, right? And because on the plus side, you could be receiving cash back in a potentially growing asset, right? Because CRO, just like every other cryptocurrency, can increase in value over time. But on the other hand, guys, cryptocurrency and CRO, just like any other cryptocurrency, can also decrease in value over time, meaning the value of your rewards can also decrease over time as well. So it's just something to keep in mind. There is a difference when it comes to earning crypto cashback versus earning US dollar cashback. And this is why if you're concerned about crypto volatility, you may want to consider converting your CRO coin rewards on the Crypto.com app to either another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or to USD coin, or even just selling it and withdrawing it for cash if you want to avoid that volatility and retain its value. So let's now take a second to dive into the cashback rates for their Jade Green and their Ruby Still card, as well as all their different metal debit cards. So here we are, guys, on the landing page for Crypto.com's cards, and as you can see, there are 5 different card tiers. You have the Midnight Blue, as I mentioned. That's the free debit card that earns you 1% cash back. You have the Ruby Still card, which is the first card I had from Crypto.com. That one earns you 2% cash back. The new card I have, Jade Green, is earning you 3% cash back. Then you have the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White earning you 5% cash back. And of course, the Obsidian card earning you 8% cash back. So all of these guys, again, are earning you this cash back in the form of CRO coin, which again has many, many use cases. As you can see, guys, all of these cards also require a staked amount. Again, this is an amount of CRO that you have to stake on the app for a set duration of time, which is a minimum of 180 days. Now, do keep in mind, as you're staking for this 180 days, you're not only earning cash back with the card on all your everyday purchases, but you're also earning interest from those crypto holdings through their Crypto Earn program. Plus, in addition to that, you also do have access to various other card benefits down below, which we're going to dive into right now. So as you can see guys, when you work your way up the card tiers, you can get various card benefits such as streaming services provided completely for free by Crypto.com. This includes services like Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. And they don't actually pay for these services directly, but the way it works is they'll reimburse you to your Crypto.com account in the form of Crow, the monthly equivalent cost of those streaming services, again, depending on the card tiers you have. And the great thing is you can always start with one of their lower card tiers like I did with the Ruby Steel card and work your way up the different card tiers as time goes on. Just keep in mind guys that as you work your way up the different card tiers, whenever you choose to upgrade to a higher card tier, it does reset your staking term. And if you're a US user, when you first sign up for one of their metal debit cards, you don't actually have to wait for the card to arrive in the mail before you can start using it, because you'll immediately get access in the Crypto.com app to a virtual debit card, which allows you to start earning cash back with your card right away from the moment you sign up. So definitely a nice perk if you're a US user. Now, regardless of whichever card you have, whenever you make a purchase with your Crypto.com Visa debit card, the cashback will always be allocated to you in the form of Crow coins, and again, it'll be credited to your Crypto.com app instantly. And once you've received these cashback rewards, you can always do things like swap your Crow for another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, you can sell it for fiat, or you could even stake them to work towards higher card tier by earning even more rewards. So you definitely have a lot of options with that Crow cashback. Pretty much when it comes down to it, I really think that Crypto.com's metal debit cards might just be the best feature of their app, because not only do they give you more purchasing power with your crypto, but they also give you the ability to earn more rewards from your crypto as well and maximize those rewards and interest along the way. Now, if you would like to try out one of these metal Visa debit cards for yourself, my friends over at Crypto.com have been generous enough to offer viewers of the Everyday Investing community a special $25 sign-up bonus when joining through my special referral link down below this video. When you join the Crypto.com app using my special code EVERYDAY, you'll get $25 in free Crow deposited straight into your Crypto.com account when you start staking for at least the Ruby Steel debit card right here. So definitely take advantage of that if you're looking to get started with these crypto cards and the Crypto.com app. And before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with two more tips. So firstly, keep in mind that when you begin staking for one of their metal debit cards, that earning cash back isn't the only perk you get for staking for one of these cards. You also earn weekly interest on those Crow holdings while they're being staked through their Crypto Earn program. The second tip I have for you is when you do first sign up to the Crypto.com app, be sure to take advantage of the first 30-day period, because for the first 30 days as a new user, you completely get free access to buying and selling crypto. There are no fees to buy or sell any type of crypto on the app for the first 30 days, so definitely take advantage of that as well. So if you enjoyed the Crypto.com app and would like to explore all the other features the app has to offer, be sure to check out some of my other Crypto.com tutorial videos right here. And if you want to see how Crypto.com compares to other cryptocurrency apps today, be sure to check out some of my other cryptocurrency app reviews right over here. For more investing app reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, definitely be sure to check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you there.